Hello, everyone! Designing a home, while undoubtedly difficult at times, is an excellent opportunity to exercise your creative muscles. Any home or apartment, whether modern or antique, has its own set of variances. The key is to view these subtleties as opportunities rather than roadblocks. Once you've completed that, the entire globe is your decorative oyster. Create a focal point. When deciding how to decorate with what you have, keep in mind that the focal point of a room draws the eye and contributes to the overall design's organization. If your area lacks a natural focal point, such as a fireplace or television, create one. Create a focal point on your far wall by pairing a mirror or artwork with a console table, bench, or bookshelf. Pile on pillows. If your living space is cold or lacks comfort, adding a selection of throw pillows will instantly alter it. Gather cushions from several areas and arrange them on your sofa to create a warm, inviting atmosphere. Choose pillows with complementary patterns and colors for a completely mismatched yet beautiful effect. Play with different textures such as velvet, wool, or cotton to improve both comfort and visual appeal. This simple addition of pillows can offer a splash of color and soft, inviting warmth to any living space. Display items in threes to make a visually appealing setting. Arrange items in groups of 3. This design approach is especially effective on mantels, bookcases, and tables, where odd-numbered groupings, like 3 or 5, draw the eye more than even numbers. When things are exhibited in odd numbers, they provide a sense of balance and intrigue without being too consistent or predictable. For a dynamic look, place different-sized frames, flowers, or decorative objects in threes. This method is very useful for designing different areas of your home, giving them a more structured yet visually appealing appearance. Add comfort to chairs. To improve the comfort of wooden dining chairs or benches, add a soft coating. While hardwood furniture appears elegant and sophisticated, it frequently lacks comfort, particularly for extended meals. To solve this, place a faux sheepskin over the seat or backrest. Not only does this offer warmth and softness, but it also creates a great textural contrast that complements the overall dining room decor. The soft texture of the throw against the hardwood enhances the space's appearance, while making the furniture more welcoming and comfortable for daily use. Rearrange furniture. Experiment with various furniture layouts to change the area without replacing any items. Try flipping the living room sofa to face the opposite direction, moving furniture away from the wall, or rotating chairs around the room until you find the perfect positioning. If you don't like the final layout, simply move the pieces back. You'd be surprised how these changes can give you a new perspective and alter the way you look at a room. Hang curtains higher. Hang your curtains higher to give your room a more elevated appearance. Placing the curtain rod closer to the ceiling rather than directly above the window might give the impression of higher ceilings, making the space feel larger. Before you relocate the rod, measure your curtains to ensure they are still long enough to hit the ground. If they're a little short, consider utilizing drapery clips to add some length without having to purchase new curtains. This minor tweak can have a significant impact, adding beauty and height to your area with little effort. Fill your non-functional fireplace with innovative decor to make it a standout design piece. One alternative is to stack books from your personal library in the firebox for an academic yet stylish appearance. Wrap the books in white paper for a clean, minimalist look. Alternatively, birch planks can be used to create a more rustic farmhouse atmosphere. Their natural texture and light hue give warmth and appeal even when the fireplace is not in use. Both approaches create a visually appealing focal point while making excellent use of an underutilized fireplace. Repurpose glass bottles. Repurposing glass bottles is a simple and innovative way to add vintage charm to your home decor. Instead of throwing them away, consider repurposing them as eye-catching displays. Bottles with unusual forms, colors, or textures can be cleaned and gathered over time. And once you have a collection, you can put them together to make a stunning centerpiece or mantel display. Arrange bottles of similar colors or sizes to create a unified theme, or mix and match for an eclectic look. Whether filled with flowers or candles, or left empty, reused glass bottles may transform a simple collection into a stunning home decor piece while remaining environmentally friendly. This tiny touch can improve your home with little effort while also supporting sustainability. Conclusion: incorporating practical decor ideas can transform your area with minimal effort and a big impact. Whether it's reusing glass bottles, changing furniture, or establishing focus points, even modest adjustments can revitalize your house. By focusing on fundamental characteristics such as balance, comfort, and texture, you can create places that are both functional and attractive. Don't be afraid to experiment with simple changes, like hanging drapes higher or grouping items in threes can make a huge difference. Remember, your home is your canvas. Be creative and make it your own. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to get more tips.